Ever heard of samurai rice fields?
Let's take a trip to Japan, but not to see the usual sights. We're diving into something unique, the art of igamo rice farming. This technique isn't just any farming method, it's deeply rooted in samurai history. Imagine, centuries ago, the samurai discovered a way to grow rice that's not only eco-friendly, but also ensures ducks and fish thrive alongside the growing rice. How? They released ducks into the paddy fields. These ducks aren't just there for a swim. They eat harmful pests and weeds, reducing the need for chemicals, and their swimming helps oxygenate the water, promoting healthier rice growth. This sustainable way of farming, inspired by samurai wisdom, is more than just agriculture. It's a philosophy of living in harmony with nature. A testament to how ancient practices can lead to modern sustainability solutions. Fascinating, right?
Ever wondered who made the first chocolate bar?
Let's take a moment to appreciate a little-known hero of the chocolate world, Joseph Fry. This guy changed the game in the 1840s. Imagine living in a world where chocolate only existed as a drink. Hard to picture, right? Well, that was the reality until Joseph Fry came along. He had this bright idea to mix cocoa powder and sugar with cocoa butter to create a moldable chocolate paste. And just like that, the first solid chocolate bar was born. Before Fry's invention, chocolate was primarily a luxury drink for the wealthy folks. Thanks to him, chocolate became widely accessible in a solid form we all adore today. It's not just a treat, it's a versatile ingredient that revolutionized baking and sweets. So next time you indulge in your favorite chocolate bar, remember to tip your hat to Joseph Fry, the unsung hero who made it all possible.
What secret lies beneath Russia's lake? You won't believe what's hidden.
Deep in the heart of Russia lies a mystery that's baffled experts for decades. Lake Karachay, a seemingly ordinary lake, holds a dark secret. During the 1950s, the Soviet Union used the lake as a dumping ground for radioactive waste from the nearby Mayak Production Association, one of the largest nuclear facilities. Fast forward, and Lake Karachay became one of the most contaminated places on Earth. So much so, standing by its shore for just an hour is enough to receive a lethal dose of radiation. The water's silvery surface hides a deadly past, transforming it into a lethal trap for the unwary. This ghastly use was kept secret for years, with knowledge of its existence only coming to light after the Soviet Union's dissolution. Today, the lake serves as a chilling reminder of the Cold War era and the lengths to which secrecy was maintained. But the waters are silent, and what lies underneath its serene facade is a history that the earth itself tries to bury.
Ever heard of Scotland's mysterious selkie, folks? Get ready for a tale that's as mysterious as the sea itself.
In the rugged coasts of Scotland, where the North Sea kisses the cliffs and fog is more common than sunshine, a unique legend whispers through the villages. The tale of the selkie folk. Selkies, not your typical mythical creatures, are said to be seals in the water but transform into humans on land by shedding their seal skins. According to Scottish lore, if a human finds a selkie's skin and hides it, the selkie is bound to them, unable to return to the sea. One story tells of a lonely fisherman who finds a beautiful selkie woman's skin on the beach. Overcome by her beauty, he hides her skin, and she becomes his wife. They live together for years, and she bears him children. However, her heart always yearns for the sea. One day, she discovers her seal skin hidden in a chest, dons it, and dives back into the ocean, leaving her land-bound family behind. The tale ends with the fisherman forever haunted by the loss, often seen staring at the sea, hoping for a glimpse of his lost love. This poignant story of love, freedom, and the untamable nature of the sea is a staple in Scottish folklore, reminding us of the deep connection between humans and the mysterious world of the ocean.
The man who changed how we run.
Ever heard of Bill Bowerman? Probably not, but every time you lace up your running shoes, you're tied to his legacy. This incredible coach from the University of Oregon wasn't just training athletes, he was busy inventing the future of footwear. Frustrated with the available running shoes, Bowerman took matters into his own hands. Literally, he experimented with his wife's waffle iron, pouring rubber into it to create a new kind of sole with more grip and lighter weight. Voila! The modern running shoe was born. His invention led to the creation of Nike, now one of the biggest shoe brands globally. Thanks to Bowerman, we're all running differently. So next time you hit the pavement or the track, remember, it's not just about the runner's high. It's a journey paved by innovation, waffles, and a waffle iron.
Ever tasted a music festival? Discover a sensory feast.
Imagine being in the heart of Colombia, where the air vibrates with the beats of traditional music and the aroma of tantalizing dishes fills the air. This isn't just any festival. It's the Barranquilla Carnival, a UNESCO-recognized celebration considered one of the world's largest carnivals. What makes it truly unique isn't just the music or the dances, but how it serves as a melting pot of cultures, blending indigenous, African, and European traditions. The highlight for many? The gastronomic journey. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's a storytelling medium, with each dish like an edible memoir of the region's history and its people's resilience. From savory arepas to sweet bocadillo con queso, the flavors of Barranquilla Carnival offer a taste of Colombia's rich cultural tapestry. So when we say you can taste the festival, we mean it quite literally. This celebration is a feast for the senses, where every bite and every note tell the story of a vibrant, enduring culture.
Ever heard of the space seamstress? The unsung hero behind the first moon landing.
Imagine you're preparing for the most important journey of your life, a trip to the moon. You'd think about the rocket, the astronauts, and all the high-tech gadgets. But would you ever think about sewing? Meet Joanne Morgan, a brilliant engineer and an unsung hero of the Apollo missions. While everyone was focused on the stars and the rockets, Joanne was stitching success in the background. She played a crucial role in developing the spacesuits and parachutes that safely carried astronauts to the moon and back. Using her unique skills, she ensured these vital pieces of equipment could withstand the extreme conditions of space. Joanne's story is a fascinating reminder that it takes all kinds of talents to achieve great things. The next time you look up at the moon, remember the space seamstress who helped make those giant leaps for mankind possible.
Did you know Scotland has a mysterious sky phenomenon?
In the remote reaches of Scotland, away from the city's hustle and noise, lies a secret that lights up the night sky: the Millie dancers. Unlike the famous Northern Lights, the Millie dancers are unique to Scotland, adorning the sky with mesmerizing colors that seem to dance above the Scottish landscape. These lights are a rare sight, making their appearance in the colder months, painting the dark sky with hues of green, purple, and even red. The phenomenon is a part of local folklore, intertwined with tales of ancient spirits and celestial battles. To witness the Millie dancers is said to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a connection to the mystical past of Scotland's rugged landscapes. So if you're chasing lights in the sky, maybe it's time to consider Scotland as your next destination.
Ever heard of a village above the clouds? Discover Thailand's hidden gem.
Imagine waking up above the clouds, not in a plane, but in a small village nestled on the highest peaks of Thailand. Welcome to Jakawan, a hidden gem that remains largely unknown to the outside world. Perched high in the mountains, this village offers breathtaking views that most people only dream of. Every morning, as the sun rises, the villagers wake up to a sea of clouds beneath them, with peaks of neighboring mountains emerging like islands in this fluffy, white ocean. Unlike the busy streets of Bangkok or the packed beaches of Phuket, Jakawan exists in serene isolation. Life here moves at a peaceful pace, with the community closely knit and traditions preserved for generations. The journey to Jakawan is not for the faint-hearted, involving several hours of travel through winding mountain roads. But those who make the trip are rewarded with an unparalleled experience, witnessing a phenomenon that blurs the line between earth and heaven. This village isn't just a place. It's a reminder of the beauty and mystery that still exists in the world, waiting for us to find it.
Did you know Wales has a phantom canine?
Deep in the hills of Wales, tales whisper of a ghostly dog with fiery eyes, known as the Gwilgi, the dog of darkness. This spectral creature, large and menacing, roams the Welsh countryside, shrouded in mystery and fear. Legend has it that encountering the Gwilgi is an ominous sign, foretelling doom or death. Unlike any ordinary dog, its presence is said to chill the air and silence the night, leaving a feeling of dread lingering in the mist. The origins of this legend are veiled in the mists of time, with some theories suggesting it's a guardian of the underworld, while others believe it encapsulates the wild spirit of Wales itself. Whether myth or mystery, the tale of the Gwilgi continues to haunt the hills, a reminder of the ancient, mystical past enveloping Wales.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.